Assalamu alaikum. New Oxford Social Studies for Pakistan, Class 5th, Unit number 2, Geography of Pakistan. Now today we are going to start our lesson number 12 from chapter number 5, Our Country. Dear students, today our topics are: first one is a land of contrast, second, the old and new cities, third one is Gilgit-Baltistan, fourth, some important cities. Learning outcomes. You can explain different types of areas in Pakistan. You can tell about the new and old cities of Pakistan. You can explain North Mountainous part of Pakistan. You can explain some important cities in details. Our first topic is a contrast of land means. This means that some parts of the land are very different from others. Like Pakistan full of contrast. पाकिस्तान के अंदर प्लेन्स भी मौजूद हैं, प्लाट्यूज भी हैं, माउंटेन्स भी हैं, फॉरेस्ट भी हैं, डेजर्ट्स भी हैं. तो यानी पाकिस्तान का लैंड जैसे डिफरेंट टाइप्स की है, वैसे ही जो है अगर कोई लैंड है तो वो कंट्रास्ट ऑफ लैंड कहलाती है. A contrast land in Pakistan. The northern highlands, the Indus Plain, the deserts area, the Pothohar Plateau full of minerals, Balochistan Plateau, Salt Range, and the Sistan Basin. All the rivers of Pakistan, Indus, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, and Satluj originate from the Himalayan mountain. And Makran coastline along the Arabian Sea. In the north, there are valleys with beautiful lakes. यानी अगर आप पाकिस्तान के लैंड का जायजा लेते हैं तो ये फुल ऑफ कंट्रास्ट है. एक एरिया के साथ जो दूसरा एरिया है वो उससे डिफरेंट है, बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द ओल्ड सिटीज ऑफ पाकिस्तान. Pakistan is a land of great civilization such as the Indus Valley civilization. In Pakistan there are many old buildings or remains of buildings that reminds us of our history. For example, Fort and Shalimar Gardens in Lahore and historical monuments at Malki. Some cities are too much old in Pakistan like a Multan. The new cities of Pakistan. There are many new cities of Pakistan, but Islamabad is the political seat of Pakistan and local government setup is run by the Islamabad Metropolitan Corporation supported by the Capital Development Authority. The city's master plan designed by the Greek architects divides the city into 8 zones including administrative, diplomatic enclave, residential area, educational sector, industrial sectors, commercial sectors and rural and green areas. यानी जहाँ पाकिस्तान के अंदर ओल्ड सिटीज मौजूद हैं वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान के अंदर न्यू डेवलप्ड सिटीज भी मौजूद हैं जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा मॉडर्न हैं, न्यूली डेवलप्ड हैं. Gilgit and Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan is the capital of tourism and fifth province of Pakistan. Gilgit-Baltistan is home to some of highest peaks in the world, including Ketuda's second highest peak in the world. Gilgit-Baltistan's landscape includes mountains, lakes, glaciers, and valleys. Gilgit-Baltistan is not only known for its mountains, it is also visited for its landmarks, culture, history, and people. Places and languages of Gilgit-Baltistan. K2 Base Camp, Disoi, Naltar, Fairy Meadows, Pakrod Valley and Hushu Valley are common places to visit in Gilgit-Baltistan. People in this region speak many different languages including Shaina, Boroshaki, Balti, Gowar, Waki, Gojri and Dumaki. Our next topic is some important cities of Pakistan. Our first city is Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan and is federally administered as part of Islamabad Capital Territory. Islamabad is the ninth largest city in Pakistan, while the larger Islamabad Rawalpindi metropolitan area is the country's fourth largest, with a population of about 3.1 million. Islamabad is located in the Pothohar Plateau in the northeast part of the country, between Rawalpindi district and the Margala Hills National Park to the north. The region has historically been a part of crossroads of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, with the Margala Pass acting as the gateway between the two regions. Famous places of Islamabad. The city is known for the presence of several parks and forests, including the Margala Hills National Park and Shakarpariya Park. The city is home to several landmarks, including the Faisal Mosque, the largest mosque in the South Asia, and the fourth largest in the world. Other landmarks include the Pakistan's National Monument and Democracy Square. Our next city is Karachi. Karachi is the capital city of Sindh province and the largest city in Pakistan, according to area and population. It is the fourth most populous city in the world. It is a coastal city located on the banks of the Arabian Sea. Therefore, its climate is affected by sea with high winds blowing most of the time. The city is considered to be the financial capital of the country because trade activity is highest in the area and most companies have their headquarters situated here. Famous places of Karachi. Famous attractions in the city include Mizar-e-Qaid, Clifton Beach, various shopping malls, Pakistan National Museum, Pakistan Air Force Museum, Bagh Ibn Qasim, Bagh-e-Jinnah, Boat Basin Park, and much more. Our next city is Lahore. Lahore is the capital city of Punjab province and the second largest city in the Pakistan. Lahore lies on the bank of the river Ravi at an altitude of about 215 meters above from sea level. A few kilometers from the border with India, it is a historically city and is considered to be the cultural hub of Pakistan. Lahore is well known for its culinary delights. People living here are extremely fond of food, and that is the reason has the highest number of places for food, with the tastiest dishes of any city. Famous places of Lahore. Lahore has beautiful mosques, mausoleums, park, and various shopping spots. Some of the places of interest include Badshai Mosque, Shalimar Garden, Minar-e-Pakistan, Alamat Bal Tomb, Wagah Border, Anarkali Bazaar, and the food streets. Our next city is Rawalpindi. Rawalpindi is the oldest city of Pakistan and Rawalpindi has a strong historical background. Rawalpindi is a city located in the Pothohar region of Punjab. It is called the twin city of Islamabad as they are located side by side. It has an area of 259 square kilometers. Famous places of Rawalpindi. Places of interest in the city include Ayub Park, Jinnah Park, Barrier Town, Rawalpindi Golf Club, Liaquat Park, Rohtas Fort, Paharwala Fort, Texla Heritage Site, 35 kilometers from Rawalpindi, and others. Our next topic is Peshawar. Peshawar is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. It lies in the broad valley near the eastern end of Khyber Pass, close to the border with Afghanistan. Peshawar's history linked to 539 BC, making the oldest city in Pakistan. The Khyber Pass, which connects Afghanistan and Pakistan, is well known to be the root of the most of the inventions. Today, it is a major trade route between Pakistan and other countries in Central Asia. Much of the old city of Peshawar consists of traditional architecture having high walls. Wood is used in many places for construction. Famous places of Peshawar. Tourist attractions in the city include the famous Kissa Khani Bazaar, Bala Hisar Fort, Gorakhpuri Sikh Gurdwara, Wazir Bagh, Shahi Bagh, Peshawar Museum, and others. There are many cultural festivals held in the city, specifically highlighting Pakhtun culture and traditions. Music is also important in the area. Local dances and instruments are famous around the world. Our next city is Quetta. The word Quetta comes from a Pashto word Quetta, which means fort. Quetta is the capital city of Balochistan province. The city is known as a fruit garden of Pakistan as numerous fruits are produced here due to its location and climate. In 1935, there was a terrible earthquake which destroyed most of the city. It was gradually rebuilt, and today Quetta is an important road junction with routes leading into Afghanistan and Iran. It lies at an altitude of 1680 meters. Therefore, it has a generally cold climate with snowfall in winter, making the temperature drop to less than 10 degrees centigrade. However, in summers, the weather remains mostly dry and warm. Famous places of Quetta. Famous attractions in area include Hana Lake, National Park, Command and Staff College Museum, Archaeological Museum, fruit parks, and few others. Okay, students, today your home task is question number 1, question number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Question number 1 is describe two contrasting geographical features of Pakistan. Answer is the snow-peaked high mountains to the north of Pakistan contrast sharply with the beaches along the coastline of Pakistan to its south. कोई से दो जोग्राफिकल फीचर्स आपको बताने हैं पाकिस्तान के तो फर्स्ट वन है कि नॉर्थ में आपकी माउंटेन्स मौजूद हैं और नॉर्थ से होते हुए वेस्ट से गुजरते हुए अगर आप साउथ की तरफ जाते हैं तो वहां पे आपको बीचेस और कोस्ट लाइन्स देखने को मिलती हैं नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 व्हाट आर द फीचर्स दैट अट्रैक्ट टूरिस्ट टू पाकिस्तान आंसर इज tourists are attracted to the famous historical sites and buildings. They are also to trekking, mountaineering, fishing and hunting. टूरिस्ट जो हैं पाकिस्तान की तरफ क्यों आते हैं पाकिस्तान से क्यों अट्रैक्ट होते हैं तो बेसिकली टूरिस्ट जो है हमारी एक इंडस्ट्री है और बहुत फेमस और पॉपुलर इंडस्ट्रीज में शामिल है और बेसिकली जो हमारी हिस्टोरिकल साइट्स हैं वो अट्रैक्ट करती हैं टूरिस्ट को कि वो पाकिस्तान को विजिट करें। उसके अलावा हमारे माउंटेनियस एरियाज जो हैं वो बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, लेक्स मौजूद हैं, ग्लेशियर्स मौजूद हैं। उसके अलावा बहुत सी हंटिंग और फिशिंग साइट्स हैं, ट्रैकिंग के लिए बहुत खूबसूरत एरियाज हैं। Our next question is question number 6. In what way Islamabad different from most of Pakistan's other large cities? Answer is because it is a city that was designed by world famous planners and architects, located at the base of Margala Hills. It is the capital of Pakistan and was built in the 1960s. It is the place from which the country is governed, and all the foreign embassies are located there. It is also called a green city because of greenery. क्वेश्चन आपसे ये किया जा रहा है कि इस्लामाबाद जो है वो क्यों मुख्तलिफ है दूसरी सिटीज से, जो आपकी दूसरी लार्ज सिटीज हैं उनसे क्यों मुख्तलिफ है। तो उसका जवाब ये है कि जो इस्लामाबाद है वो एक तो न्यू सिटी है, 1960s के अंदर इसको बिल्ड किया गया है, और दूसरा ये कि इसको प्रॉपर वे में डिज़ाइन किया गया है। बहुत से प्लानर्स और आर्किटेक्ट्स जो हैं उन्होंने इसको डिज़ाइन किया और 8 जो रीजन्स हैं उसके अंदर इसको डिवाइड किया गया है। इसके अलावा इस्लामाबाद जो है आपका कैपिटल है, उसके साथ साथ जो गवर्नमेंट है उसके सारे इंस्टीट्यूट फॉरेन एम्बेसीज जो हैं वो यहाँ पे मौजूद है। इसके अलावा इस्लामाबाद की खूबसूरती जो है जो दूसरे लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करती है, और कहा जाता है कि इस्लामाबाद जो है वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट कैपिटल्स और ब्यूटीफुल कैपिटल्स में इंक्लूड होता है, अपनी ग्रीनरी की वजह से, अपनी खूबसूरती की वजह से। Our next question is question number 7. Why are there not many ancient buildings in Quetta? क्वेश्चन आपसे किया जा रहा है कि यहाँ पे कोयटा के अंदर पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स क्यों मौजूद नहीं है। तो आंसर इज there are not many ancient buildings because in Quetta in 1935 there was a terrible earthquake that destroyed most of the city. It was then gradually rebuilt. 1935 के अंदर कोयटा के अंदर एक जो है बदतरीन किस्म का अर्थक्वेक आया जिसने पूरी सिटी जो है उसको तबाह कर दिया, और इसे दोबारा से रीबिल्ड किया गया, इसलिए यहाँ पे तारीखी अमारात या पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स जो है वो मौजूद नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. विच टाउन इज कॉल्ड द फ्रंटियर टाउन? आंसर इज पेशावर इन खैबर पख्तूनख्वा इज कॉल्ड द फ्रंटियर टाउन. Okay students, let's start bookwork page from page number 46. Part A. Pakistan has been the home of past civilization and empires. Where would you find the remains of Gandhara civilization? Write a few lines about it. The answer is the Gandhara literally means perfume. It was the name of a great civilization and kingdom in the northern Pakistan. It was located in valley of Peshawar, the Pothohar Plateau, Taxila, and on the northern side of the river Kabul. Its main cities were Peshawar and Taxila. Next part is B part, fill in the blanks. First one is there are dusty plains in the dash of the country. The answer is there are dusty plains in the south of the country. Second one is the dash desert is in the dash of the country. Answer is the third desert is in the east of the country. Third one is we dash sport equipments to many countries. Answer is we export sport equipments to many countries. Fourth one is SAARC stands for that. SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Development. Fifth one is to the south is the dash coast along the dash. Answer is to the south is the Makran coast along the Arabian Sea. Guidelines for parents. Dear parents, all the main points discussed in the lecture. Make sure students listen to the lesson carefully. Question number one, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth discussed in the lesson. So ask your child to do first, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth all questions on notebook. But first draw the title page. Make sure that spelling should be correct while writing answers. Make sure your child learn the home task on daily basis. Dear students, I hope you understood all the questions very well. Complete your home task on time and learn it. Thank you.